Hello everybody, this is Pichumani Sampath, TS Pichumani. Lately, I've had an idea to share strategies and information on share market. It's not recommendation, it's just an information. See, by February 28th, uh, Israel and US have declared a war against Iran. Since then, the crude oil have significantly gone up from $65 a barrel to $100. Today, it's trading around $107. That is Brent crude at 107 and WTI, the Western Texas crude oil at almost $100 per barrel. There might be a lot of geopolitical reasons, consequences on this, but the share market, especially the Indian share market, have gotten a big beating since the crude oil have gone up, and especially since the war has been declared against Iran. Because for India, especially the Asian countries, especially the big China and India, are solely dependent on Iran and a little bit on Russia. But since the war has broken out and the crude oil has gotten up, the share markets have battered like anything. Despite good earnings, despite good results, the stocks haven't really performed well. For the last couple of years, maybe in 25 and 26 till April. April was a better month. Till March, we have had a very sharp fall in the market. Big names have got beaten down because of this. And secondly, due to AI's play, that is artificial intelligence role in the software, the IT department, the IT sector by itself has gotten significantly down. My thought or my suggestion, what I would say is, no AI could do a critical thinking. So IT sector would really come up, like it'll come out with great colors, maybe down the road in a 6 months to 1 year's time, but it'll definitely have a beating. There'll be layoffs, there'll be lots of cost cutting, but despite all this, the IT sector by itself will perform betterly. As of now, it has gotten beaten down, but it will definitely perform betterly. This is my thought. And with regards to the oil sector, they have a real blow on them, but once the ceasefire is being sealed and the war ends, definitely the oil, the Brent crude and the WTI would come down. So what we all need to carefully think, and what we all need to keep in mind is patience in stock market. As far as I am concerned, and what I am being advised by mentors and my seniors, patience is so important, and the entry point and the exit point is very important. Many people would say, I have invested in a long term, but there's definitely no such term long term, because see, it's a cyclical process. A stock would perform for down the road for maybe on a long call, it will be for 1 year, it will be performing and it will be raising highly. But on a one geopolitical news or by itself within the company, there would be a layoff or a small hindrance which would really bring the stock down. So whenever you see you get a profit of around 30 to 40% or maybe 60%, definitely make an exit and come out of it. On a long term basis, once, I mean, if you're putting a large bulk of money into it, and you're waiting, or if you can wait for a period of 10 years, I think that would be a long period. But once in 3 years or 4 years time, exit and make an entry. That would be my kind advice as far as my knowledge is concerned. And secondly, as I stated earlier, I will give no recommendations, but I will give some information. The stocks that have gotten beaten down, like the Ola Electrical, that's really performed well, and also they have settled their debts. So that would be a good stock for you to watch. I just don't want to give information on what's their performance is, because I want you to, whoever watches this video, want personally them to learn more about and do their own research work on the specific particular stock, so that they can not only learn but also make a real conclusion on whether to buy or not to buy. That's come anywhere around 35 now. It was around 100 rupees on the listing, but now it's come to 35. That's a good stock to buy. Just make your thought on it. Do your own research. Never go by somebody's recommendation. Do your own research analysis and then get into the mode of buying it. And Reliance is also a good stock. And secondly, Geo Finance is now harboring anywhere around 250. That is also a very good stock. And NCC is also a good stock, which all I do own in my portfolio. So this is my first video, so I just want to share you all the information that I do have. I will definitely post good information on the geopolitical and as well as the stock analysis, but no recommendation for anybody to buy, but it's just purely a strategy and information from my perspective. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do well.